Hello everyone. Today we'll see the short trick of finding multiplication of two-digit numbers. Okay, I will explain you how to find the multiplication easy tricks to find the multiplication of two-digit numbers. And the pattern in this type of multiplication will be this is applicable for the multiplication of two-digit number in which the sum of units digit of two-digit number is 10. Suppose these are the units digit number. If the sum of these two digit number is 10, like this number, see this is 48 and 42. The sum of units digit is 10 and the tens digit is same. Okay. So this type of multiplication tricks will be applicable for the two digit numbers in which the sum of units digit is 10 and the tens digit is same. Now I will explain you how to solve this. See, first of all, what you do, 7 threes are, first of all multiply the units digit and write the number 7 threes are 21. Okay, 7 threes are 21 and this both is 5, tens digit is 5. So multiply it by the next number. Okay, successor of 5, that is 6. 5 6 are 30. So this is the answer. Is it clear? Now see the this second question, 48 multiplied by 42. So we can see that the sum of the last two digit is 10 in this case also, and the tens digit is equal, that is 4. So what you will do, you will multiply 8 2 are 16 and this both is 4. So multiply it by the successor of 4, that is 5. 4 5 are 20. Then this will be the answer. Okay. In this case, same 7 3s are 21 and the successor of 3 is 4. Okay. So you multiply 3 by 4, 3 4s are 12. In this case, we can also do the same method. 8 2s are 16 and 7 is the tens digit. So successor of 7 will be 8. 7 8s are 56. So by this trick, you can easily solve the multiplication of two digit number within a seconds, within a 2 seconds or 3 seconds. It will hardly take 2 or 3 seconds. So it is the best method. This is the Vedic maths by which we can solve the multiplication of two digit number. But see, the condition is the units digit, the sum of units digits should be same, should be 10 and the tens digit will be should be equal. So we can apply this method. Okay. The second case will be when see, now I will reverse the condition. The second case will be in which the sum of tens digit will be in the second case the sum of 10 digits, like this is 5 and 7, and here we can write 5 and 5 5 10 and this is 57. Okay. Now the second case will be in which units digit will be same but the sum of 10 digit will be 10. Now we can take other question, 46 multiplied by 66. So in this, see, the sum of this tens digit, 6 plus 4 is tens digit. In this case the sum of 6 and 4 is 10 and the units digit is same. This is the opposite case which we did earlier. This is the reverse of that. Okay, we can see that in that case the sum of units digit is 10. In this case the sum of tens digit is 10 and the units digit is same. Suppose I write 37 multiplied by 7 and suppose this is 7. See, in this case also 7 plus 3 is 10 and the units. So how will you solve this type of multiplication? See here, what we will do, we will do the with the same method. See, 7 7 are, this will be 49. Okay, we will multiply 7 7 are 49 and see this both 5 is same, so we multiply 5 5 are 25. Okay, 5 and 5 will multiply, this is 25 plus this digit, the units digit will be added to this. So what will be the result? 25 plus 7, it will be 32. So 32 4 9 is the multiplication of this question. Okay. Now see the next one. In this case also the sum of tens digit is 10, 6 plus 4, and the units digit are same. Okay, so what we'll do, I multiply the units digit first. 6 6 are 36. Okay, and see here, and we what we'll do, we will multiply the tens digit. 6 4 are 24, and 24 plus this 6, you can take any 6, because in the both the cases the units digit is 6. So what we'll do, we will first multiply 6 4 are 24 plus 6, that will be 30. Okay, so in this case also इसमें भी क्या करेंगे, 7 7 जा, this will be 49. Okay, 7 7 ja 49, and what you will do, 7 3 ja 21, we will multiply this tens digit. 7 3 ja 21, and we add this units place number. 7 3 ja 21 plus 7, 7 3 ja 21 plus 7, it will be 28. So the answer will be 2849. So these are the two types of tricks. These are the tricks to solve the multiplication of the two digit numbers. If the sum of units digit are 10, or sum of tens digit are 10, and the other place is equal. Okay, I hope you have understood this method. This is very easy method by which you can solve any multiplication of this pattern within a second or 2 to 3 seconds. Okay, so we have seen this, how we have solved this. Again I will explain it. This 7 7 are 49. What we have to do, if the tens digit, the addition of tens digit is 10 and the units digit is equal, what we will do, 7 7 are 49, and 5 5 are 25, 25 plus 7 is 32. So we will write 32 here. Okay, again 6 6 are 36, I will write 36 here, and 6 4 are 24, 24 plus 6, it will be 30. Again in this case 7 7 are 49. Okay, 49, 7 3 are 21, 21 plus 7, 28. Okay, and the earlier case, again I will just show you the earlier case in which the 4 7 multiplied by 4 3. Okay, in this case the tens digit are equal and the sum of units digit is 10, that we did earlier. Again I will explain this. 7 3 are 21. In both the cases we are multiplying the units digit. In this case also we multiplied this, in this case also, but in this case what we will do, we will multiply the tens digit by the successor of this. Okay, 4, the successor of 4 is 5, so we multiply 4 multiplied by 5, it will be 20. Okay, so these are the, I hope you have understood this method. Again I will bring the new technique of solving the multiplication of other numbers. Thank you.